Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be playing the Last Spire. So this is a free game on itch. As always, the link is in the description. So this is I think it's an incremental tower defense like game. I think it's also like a clicker. Okay, first let's check the options. By the way, you can just play this game on the browser. Or if you have the itch.io app installed, you can download it from there. Okay, let's start. Yeah, so basically we just need to survive for 5 minutes. Yes, welcome. Uh, I see we're fighting slimes. And they are not the friendly slimes. They're not Rimeru. You know what? Let's get fire rate. Oh yeah, that's definitely a good upgrade. We're gonna get more damage next. I should have killed that other slime. Can we get the damage now? Do I one hit them? Okay, we still need like 2 hits. As always for games like this, we're gonna go for economy first. Anything that will give us more gold. That's the upgrade we're gonna get. More fire rate, I guess. You know what? The fire rate is really good upgrade. I think it's like 3 times faster now. Seeker unlock. Shoot at the nearest target. Interesting. I think I should dump my money here. So we get fire rate and extra damage. Okay, I'm gonna attack whatever the Seeker won't attack. I'm gonna leave the enemy at 1 health. That way the Seeker can kill them. You know what? I don't think we need to upgrade the mouse, so we're just gonna upgrade the Seeker. I think that's a lot more better for the money. Plus it auto shoots. It auto targets the closest enemy. Maybe we should upgrade our damage. Maybe we can 2-hit the slime with the upgraded damage. By the way, the game, we win if we survive for 5 minutes. But I think it has like an unlimited mode after 5 minutes. More seeker. Nope. Nope. More damage. More area. Interesting. So we can have like bigger splash damage, I guess. You know what? I wish the attack from the mouse, I wish it comes from the tower. Multi-shot unlock. Okay. Okay, I think we survived a bit longer this time. Okay, this is the longest we survive. Let's see. Shoots projectiles in an arc formation. I'm not sure about this one. We're just gonna give it one upgrade on everything. Wait, we have passives now? Coins, gain an extra coin per defeated enemy. That's 500 thorns. Enemy that deal damage to the base take equal damage. We have reflect damage now. That should keep us alive a bit longer. At least with the multiple shot, the closer they get, the more damage it does. It's like a shotgun shot. I wish there's like a top score, like your highest so far. But I think we're getting better every freaking run because of all of the upgrades we get. I'm gonna check if there's anything on the passive tree that will give us more money. There's crit, extra small chance to gain extra coins when defeated. Do I want the multi? The multi doesn't even hit anything. Most of the time doesn't even hit anything. I think the seeker is the way to go. Oh yeah, the attack speed, it's really freaking good. I think the multi, we just need to add like more projectiles. That way the chance to hit will increase. I'm not even sure if the multi is targeting anything. I need like 350 coins. That way we can get some passive. I'm gonna grab that extra coin. Extra money. By the way, the thorns, it's not really that good. Okay, we have 370. Swords unlock. We're gonna grab the extra. Defensive sword that only attacks enemies within range. Okay. So if they get close, so we have swords. What? Okay, so it's just slashing. I don't think the swords are... I think the swords are long range. I can see the slash attacks on the slimes. Oh yeah. Do we get extra? Oh wait, yeah, we do get extra money. I saw 14 gold drop. Is that the highest? I see 10, 8. Let's go on the passive. Double our HP. And you know what? Let's give the sword like one more upgrade. Multi again. Multi damage for the multi. I think the multi does the most damage. Hopefully we'll At least survive for a minute. I think the highest we got, like, I think it was like 50 minutes or something. Oh yeah, I should also try to use the splash damage of the mouse. Okay, we are over a minute. Oh my god, they speed up. They freaking speed up. Let's check on the passive. HP up. No, I don't care about HP. You know what? I think we need more of the multi. So I should shoot like 5 projectiles now. I think I should save like 500 for the extra gold drop upgrade. EMP unlock? What does EMP do? Oh, I think it's a close range damage thing. Okay, at least we can zap them close range. Okay, we're gonna save. I'm not gonna upgrade anything until we get that money upgrade. I think it's only like 500. We already have like 400 right now. The sooner we get the money upgrade, the better. Oh my god. After 1 minute, they just speed up. We got 500. Let's get the gain extra coin drop per defeated enemies. Bouncer? Okay, what does the EMP do? Damage all enemies on screen? On screen? So it's a screen-wide nuke. Shoot a bouncing projectile around the room. Damages. Okay. So it's not targeting anything? It just bounce around? You know what? Bouncing. Okay, how many bounce does it? Okay, I think we can only have like maximum of 2 balls for the bouncing projectiles. I think I wanna upgrade the EMP now. It damage everything in the screen. That's definitely gonna help. Wait, that's the upgrade. The gold upgrade. So I gain like extra 1 gold now. I used to earn like 5 gold per kill. Now it's 6. 6 plus the random gold chance that we get. You know what? It's worth it. Extra 1 gold. That's gonna save us a few more turns, I guess. I'm not really sure what upgrade I should get first. It's either the sword or the... minute. Gain an additional 100 coins every minute mark. Ooh, that's 500. Start at the additional minute. Does not trigger the minute passive. Start an additional minute. Okay, so we can start at 1 minute directly, but the minute passive will not count. No. Can we upgrade the seeker? Seeker and then EMP. You know what? This one is cheap. Oh my god, the Seeker. It shoots pretty fast. You know what? I'm gonna get the minute upgrade. That's what we're gonna get next. We're gonna get that upgrade. That's an easy 100 gold by just surviving for 1 minute. I mean, every minute we get like 100 gold. So that's like at the very minimum only 5 runs. After 5 runs, we already got the gold. I mean, we already get the gold back from that upgrade. Yeah, let's get that upgrade next. You know what? I should target the farthest enemy first. Okay, they are getting freaking close. We're gonna get the minute extra 100 coins every freaking minute we get. Multi-shot now. Seeker. I should upgrade the EMP next. At least the EMP is a guaranteed hit. The multi is actually good, but even with 5 projectile, it doesn't really hit anything. Doesn't hit anything most of the time. I'm gonna check the passive again. Maybe we can get something that will give us more money. There we go. We are on the minute mark right now. I think the bouncy ball, we just need like more duration. So that the ball will last longer on screen. Nice, we got 900. All attacks have a 5% chance to do double damage. Defeated enemies have a small chance to explode. Okay. Small chance to explode. That way you can get like a collateral kill by the explosive slime. Okay, we're close to a minute where we can get our extra 100 gold. for just surviving a minute. That's like easy money. I mean, easy 100 Gs. You know what? Around 120, 1 minute and 20 seconds, the enemies are just getting ridiculously strong. Okay, we have 900. Is there anything on the upgrade? Crit chance. Double HP might help. And let's just upgrade Seeker. Seeker is at maximum rate of fire. Fully upgrade the entire weapon to unlock. Oh, that's ridiculous. I think I don't even have to do anything for at least a minute. I think the Seeker can handle this for a minute. I think next I should upgrade the multi. I'm gonna up the projectiles. I mean the number of projectiles for the multi-shot. Okay, I'm gonna take some water. Easy 600. I think we're gaining like 900 every run. You know what? Let's get the crit chance next, I guess. It's only 5%. Okay, we are at the 1 minute and 30 seconds mark. And the enemies are getting ridiculously strong. Like, how are we even going to survive? Okay, we need 1,000. We need 1,000 to max the Seeker. That's where our money's gonna go next. Seconds in. Maybe we can survive up to 2 minutes this time. I did upgrade a lot of weapons. You know, at least the Seeker can obliterate a single target easily. As long as we don't get swarmed. Okay, we got like 700, 800 gold, 200 gold to go. You know what? I think the longer we play, the stronger. I mean, that more health the enemy gets. Seeker. Fully upgraded. Mortar unlock. Pierce through all enemies or explode. Chance to explode on impact. You know what? Let's try Pierce for now. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I think the chance to explode is also good. But Pierce is guaranteed. We might even kill the enemies behind. Oh yeah, we have bombs now. I just noticed the bombs. Okay, we're 50 seconds in. Just 5 more seconds for the 300 gold. You know what? At least the progression in this game is pretty quick. I think. As long as we do some damage. There we go. We got our 1,000 back again. Easily. I'm gonna try explode next. We clearly need more weapons. Okay, let me see what the... It's a mortar. Low explosive at the enemies. The upgrade is also pretty expensive. You know what? Let's upgrade the multi-shot. We can probably max the multi-shot. I think I should upgrade the EMP next. Or maybe we should check the passives. Maybe there's like a good passive upgrade. Okay, we're 40 seconds in. What good thing we got that gold upgrade early. I think that actually saved us a few runs. So on incremental games, I usually like to max everything. We'll see. Oh yeah, there's a fireball upgrade on the mouse. You know what? I wanna try getting the fireball upgrade. You know what? The multi doesn't hit anything. Okay, that's a lot of freaking slimes. Okay, backshot. Shoot some number of projectiles in the opposite direction. Or we can shoot much quicker projectiles in a spiral. Ooh, kind of like that one. You know what? Swords. No, let's get the EMP. Let's get some EMP upgrade. How does the... Oh, that's how the minigun works. I kinda like it. At least it's always on. Compared to the back shots, this is a lot more like it. I'll still try the back shot for one round. Next round we're gonna try it. But the minigun upgrade is really good. It has a lot higher chance of hitting enemies. And I think if they get really freaking close, we can hit everything. I should lower the audio next. You know what? We might be able to go beyond 2 minutes this time. Because of the minigun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the fireball upgrade for the mouse. Yeah, we definitely need to upgrade the EMP. Okay, we're over 2 minutes. This is the newest record that we have. We got 2,000 freaking gold. Runes unlocked. What the hell, the runes? A rotating projectile damage enemies on contact. Let's get the back shot. Change the seeker to explosive. I'm gonna grab my fireball. I don't know how the fireball works. Let's upgrade the EMP. EMP always hits. Maybe the sword. Oh, that's how it works. You know what? I think the minigun is a lot better. Okay, last time we reached like over 2 minutes. We can probably reach over 2 minutes this time. Now, I'm not sure about the back shots, but at least with the back shot upgrade, it actually aims at the enemy. I mean, it's trying to aim at the enemy, but the projectiles are just too far apart to hit anything. But we're surviving actually. Defense unlock. Oh, is that the fire? Oh, we have a shield now? Come on, give me 2,000 upgrade again. 2,000 gold, and we're also over 2 minutes. And I think we're surviving a bit longer this time. Maybe we can reach 3 minutes. Maybe. Maybe not. Applies a defensive upgrade to your tower. Where did the fire come from? You know what? Multi-shot. Go back to minigun. Back to Pierce. It's 2,000 for the freaking upgrade. Okay, we should be we can upgrade the sword to max on the next run. Looks like Pierce and minigun is probably the best choice. Not gonna lie, the shield looks kinda sus. Maybe I should upgrade the hen again. No, we're just gonna stick to the. Okay, we're gonna upgrade the sword first and then EMP. I think we can easily reach 2 minutes this time. Easy 900. Easy 1,000 gold. I need 1,500 to max the sword. I think we can easily get it. Should also upgrade the splash damage for the mouse next. That way we can easily finish off the lower health enemies. Okay, we are over 2 minutes. 3 minutes? No, they're getting faster and faster. Sword, max upgrade for the sword. Throws a spinning sword towards a random enemy. When triggered attacks. When triggered attacks in all direction. No, let's get throw. At least it attacks random enemies. Mouse. Let me just max my mouse. Black hole adds 3 rotating projectiles around the mouse position. Mouse automatically shoots projectiles at the nearest target. Oh, that's the best upgrade. At least I don't need to point the mouse anymore. Is there any cheap upgrade? Speed for the ball? For the bounce? So far, they're not gonna get. I think around the 1 minute mark, the enemies are just pretty weak. I thought it's auto target. How do we even enable the auto targeting? Okay, we're over a minute now. You know what? At least our mouse still does really good damage. Oh, I like the freaking splash damage from the mouse. We might be able to survive to 3 minutes, maybe. Yep, we might make it to 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Just 20 seconds more. Beam unlock. Got a beam? Mouse automatically shoots a projectile at the nearest target. How do we enable that one? Adds 3 rotating projectiles around the mouse position. I'm gonna try switching the multi to back shots again. Let's check the passive. All single target projectiles can hit one additional enemy. Okay, crit. We got the crit. HP. I'm gonna get this later, I guess. So since projectile can pierce, I'm gonna switch this to explode. Swords are fine. Let's upgrade the EMP next. Sends a beam that slows enemy. Ooh, that's fine. Applies a defensive shield on the tower. I do not like the runes actually. You know what? Upgrade the mortar. We're gonna upgrade whatever is cheap. Oh, that's the beam. So it's a slow beam. We can probably easily get like 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a guaranteed. I see. So the beam, it's an ice beam. That's why they get slowed. Easily slowed. Here comes our free 100 gold. We'll basically get a free 100 gold every freaking minute. Okay, 20 seconds, 10 seconds for the 300 Gs again. You know what, the back shot for the multi, I think I'm gonna keep it on the multi. At least it's targeting something. Plus, most of the projectiles can pierce one target. We might be able to reach 3 minutes. "20 seconds to 3 minutes. We also have like 3,500 gold. Minutes. We are in the 3-minute mark. We have 4,300 gold. We can probably upgrade something. Max upgrade something. We are dying. We are so freaking dead. Let's see. I'm gonna switch back to minigun for the multi-shot. Sword is just gonna be throw. One trigger attacks all enemy in all direction. You know what? Let's try defense. We max the EMP. Has a small chance to instantly defeat enemies. Has a small chance to cause a frostbite and dealing damage over time. You know what? Let's get one shot for that. We don't have any more passive to upgrade. Maybe let's upgrade the runes. I think the runes needs more projectiles. EMP is already max. Bouncy ball. Or the mortar. Mortar is expensive to upgrade. I forgot again to check if you can lower the audio. Can I lower the audio here? No. I don't see the swords. I don't know how the defensive work. Maybe if they hit my maybe if they hit the tower, it only triggers when the tower gets hit. There's our free 100 gold. I don't know where the fire came from. Is it from the bomb? Maybe it's from the bomb. There goes our another 300 gold. I wanna see how the sword attacks everything. You know what? It does attack everything. That might be the better upgrade. It can probably help the EMP. Got another 4,000 gold. Wait, are we gonna reach the 4-minute mark? Maybe we're gonna reach the 4-minute mark. Oh, that's the sword attack. You know what? We might reach the 4-minute mark. Okay, 20 seconds to the 4-minute mark. And I am kind of blind right now. I can't see my cursor. $7,000. Wait, are we gonna reach the 5-minute mark? No. Not yet. Seeker. I'm gonna keep the sword. Let's switch the EMP to frostbite mode. Can we max the ball? The bouncer. Constant, keep 3 bouncer on screen at all times. Slow. Slows enemy on hit. Okay, we still have 2,000. Let's get the whatever we can upgrade. Shields. Maybe more projectiles. Yeah, let's get throw. I think throw is a lot better. Since the sword can also pierce one enemy. We did reach around, I think it was 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Maybe we can reach a bit longer this time. I mean, maybe we can reach the 5-minute mark this time. Here comes our 300 gold. Okay, there you survive for 1 minute. 4 minutes to go. Oh yeah, let's try. Let me try the other cursor upgrade. Oh yeah, the frostbite from the EMP. I think that's a lot better because we can slow them down. Okay, so far nobody gets close yet, which is good. We're gonna reach the 3-minute mark. The slow, it really freaking helps. Okay, we are in the 3-minute and we have 5,000. I think I should upgrade the runes next, since the enemy can get close. Nah, let's just get more offensive. I should upgrade the bombs. I'm gonna upgrade the bombs next. I should lower the audio. Oh, we are dying. We are dying. Wait, I think we can upgrade the shield to last longer. $30 seconds. 30 freaking seconds. We died. Let's try black hole. Add 3 rotating projectile around the mouse position. What did I upgrade again? Mortar. Mortar is kinda expensive. It is kinda expensive. Can I get the fire rate for the freaking beam? Okay, mortar just needs 3,000 for the max upgrade. We died around 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We're getting there. We just need a few more upgrades. Okay, we're back at the 1 minute mark. We can probably upgrade the bombs if we still fail. I think the beam is the max rate of fire already. So that should slow a lot more enemies. Okay, if we fail, I'm gonna max the bombs, and then maybe we just need more damage. That way we can survive longer. Okay, we got the 3,000 for the max bombs upgrade. Minutes to go. I mean, in 10 seconds. I am getting blind again. I'm losing my cursor. I mean, I can't find it sometimes. Okay, 1 minute. Just one more freaking minute. We just need to defend. I think we're gonna die on the same freaking time again. Okay, 4 minute 30. Just 30 seconds. I think we survived like 3 seconds more. An explosion sent 5 projectiles in a circle outward. Burns the ground, dealing more damage over time. Let's try ward first, I guess. Can we max the beam? Freeze enemies instead of slow. Cause frostbite, taking damage over time. No, that's freeze the enemy. That's defensive. We can. That's already max. That's already max. The runes. Speed, I guess. Okay, this might be the run. We survived like 5 seconds more from the last round. I can actually buy an upgrade that skips the first 2 minutes. But we're gonna get less gold if we do that. And I wanna upgrade the other weapon faster. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the cursor to auto turret. I still don't know how it works. I don't see any turrets if I use it. Okay, it's over 1 minute. Yep, this might be the run. Okay, we are 2 minutes in. No, like the ice beam freeze is really useful. Okay, we're about to reach 3 minutes. By the way, this game is free. It's on itch. It's also link. There's also a link in my description. Easy 4,000 gold. You know what? I think we can reach the 3-minute mark this time. Oh my god, that's the freaking swarm. Even though they get frozen, they are still a freaking problem. Okay, we are in the 4-minute mark. Not this might do it. Seconds to go. Ten seconds. We did it. We did it. We finished it. Press any key to continue playing. The game will now proceed past 5 minutes. See how high you can go. Okay, let's do one more run. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy the passive now. So we are gonna start at 2 minutes. EMP is max. Shines in and out of the base defense. Increase the amount of projectiles created. Oh, so that's how it goes. Okay, at least we start at 2 minutes. There's a lot more enemies. We're gonna reach 5 minutes easily. You know what? I think they still drop the same amount of gold. I am getting blind again. I can't see the cursor. You know what? The rune actually helps. Okay, we're almost at the 5-minute mark. Seconds to go. Wait, do we not have the endless mode in the playtest? No, do we not have endless mode? I forgot it's a free game on each. I can't see my cursor. Okay, we are over 5 minutes now. I don't know how long we can last. I think the runes are doing a really good job. Does the endless mode makes the enemy stronger? We're gonna hit 6 minutes. But they're just sitting there. Tower is down again. You want to try burn? Burn for the mortar. Increase the amount of projectiles. Yeah, let's try defense. And this might be the last run. We're gonna go get regen. Shield recharge, shield. Yeah, I think this is the last. 3,000. Okay, we have more shield and more shield recharge. I should have get the regen. Okay, that's a lot of rune. It's gonna shred anyone that gets freaking close. I think we didn't even reach 6 minutes. I mean last time. All of this line for just one mount. Okay, 4 minutes. Well, I'm just gonna focus on the left side. 'Oh my god, the runes it's just shredding them. Five minutes. What the runes? The runes is the MVP. I don't know where my mouse is. Can we make it to 6 minutes? Minutes. Come on. 6 minutes. I think we survived because of the runes. That's the only thing keeping us alive. Can we reach 7 minutes? No. Let me just drop the volume. 4. What else did we not get? Any upgrade? Mortar, we already have the mortar. The beam is already upgraded. Defense. Slow. Saving grace. Restore your tower HP once per. Oh, so we can survive a bit longer. Enemies hit the base have a chance. You know what? Saving grace is probably the best. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. So this is the Last Spire. If you want to play the game, the link is in the description. It's actually free. The game is free. You can also play it on your browser. You don't need to download the game. So that's it, guys. Like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye, guys. GG.